Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna look at how you can connect your WhatsApp business app to a cloud API. So earlier, we used to have to delete the existing WhatsApp number. Then only you will be able to connect on a cloud API connection for any business automations or uh, any that kind of workflow that you want to create. So for more details, we have our documentation page. We are updated here. If you go to this link, you can find all the details related to that WhatsApp coexistence connections and how you can onboard. So in this video, we will look into it. If you want to read more, you can always go into this website to our documentation page and you can get more details about it. The time of recording this video, I think the countries like India is now supported right now. I don't know any other countries if it is this feature is available at the moment, but you can check it out. So what you have to do is, once you have set up your Rapidbott workspace, you can head to WhatsApp cloud and click on connect WhatsApp cloud. Now you will get a pop-up like this. Then click on continue. Please log into the Facebook account where you created a business account. Just log in, then get started. Now let me select the business account that we want to use. This is the business account we are gonna use. Click on next. Now you will see two options. This is the normal standard way. If you have a new number, you can create it here and you can follow the steps. This is a new method where you can connect your existing WhatsApp business app. Please remember, if you already have an app, a number connected to your business app, that only you can connect it here. So just click on this option, click on next. Now you need to provide your number here. Let me quickly give the number that we're gonna use. Okay, I have provided the number. Now let's click on next. Now you will receive an OTP. When OTP will be sent, so you can see we send a verification code to this number from the Facebook business official chat. So what you have to do is, you need to head back to your WhatsApp app. I have opened my WhatsApp business app. You can see I got an OTP here. So let's put that pin here. Once you have entered the code, you can click on next. Let's wait for this process to complete. Now you can see the account name that I created is under this particular name that is already showing here. You can click on next. All good. You can click on continue. Just wait for the step to get completed. Now you can see you will get a message from 1 second. Yeah, now you will get a message from Facebook like this to scan this QR code. So head back to your business app. Let me open my app. Click on that scan QR code button. You will get an option to scan the QR code. You can give the permission in the in your app pop-up screen. You can see let me show you what you will be seeing. Once you click on the scan QR code app, you will get a pop-up like this. Then you can click on scan. Then if you want to share the chat across the platform and your WhatsApp app, you can enable the settings. If you click on share chats, that means the chats will be synced all together from the platform on your Rapidbott live chat and your WhatsApp app as well. Let's do that. Let me scan the QR code once again. Right now I have scanned the QR code. Now you will be able to complete the process. You can click on finish now. If everything went well, you will get that success message and you can click on sync numbers here. Now you can see business number has been completed. You can enable this. You don't have to do anything here. Here also you can check the phone number status. It's connected and high. You don't need to register, or you don't need to do anything. It's already connected, everything. Now all you have to do is just create a bot, or if you have already created a bot on your workspace, you can link to that bot and you can see the chats coming, or you can run your own workflow. You can create a workflow. Let's do that now, and let's have a look at it, how it will work or how it will look like. Okay, I don't have any extra bot here. Let's create a blank template, blank chatbot. Let's have a look at it. Let's call it demo. Create bot. Let's open the flow. Let's build something basic here. Let's type something high. Let's click on save. Now we have a basic message, a greeting send message we have added here. Now let's head back to live chat, and let me try to send a message to this number. You can see I have sent a message from my personal WhatsApp, and let's have a look at you can see the bot has been replied. Let's have a look at on the WhatsApp side how it will look like. You can see this is a message I received. You can see that I got a message from my own number here. You can see I send an hi message. You can see the bot has been already triggered. Let me send some other message. You can see back and forth communications happening. I can see the chats coming on my WhatsApp as well, and on the live chat also. So the advantage is, if you use this your own business account, the biggest advantage you get is you can see live monitor or live you can see the conversations that are coming to your WhatsApp also. If you feel like you want to take over the conversation at some point, you can directly start engaging with your customer from here. Like you can message to your users directly from your WhatsApp, so that way your business communications or live chat operations will be much more smoother and easier. Also, you can keep track of what conversations are being going through your on your business account. That way you can automate your business. Also, you can have a shared inbox. If you can invite your own teammates to your Rapidbott workspace, and they can also manage the live chat. So you can see, or you can assign each conversation to a different agent to take care of it for different department of your business, like that. So also one bigger advantage is you can run automations, or if it is a potential client or a user, you can move the contacts to a live your own Google Sheet or something like that. You can do. These are the few benefits that you can get, and one of the most awaited feature was this coexistence. You can sync your existing WhatsApp app with your cloud API, WhatsApp cloud API. So that is what we have done this in this new update, and you can also check it out. And also still, this is a new feature out. Some limitations will be there. More information you want to read, you can check out this documentation page. Here we have listed all the current limitations and restrictions imposed by Meta on using this kind of API and at the moment. So these are the things that you have to keep an eye first, then start using these features. That's it for the video. If you have any questions or any doubts or any issues, feel free to reach out to our team or comment below this video. One another important thing I forgot to mention. Currently, this feature works fine if your business account is verified and all good. This there is no restriction or limitation in using this integration, connecting with an WhatsApp business app, existing business app with your cloud API. There is no restrictions from Meta. So if you feel that you have some restrictions, some error coming doing this process, that means it could be either because your business is not verified or something is limiting or some issue with your business account. Something has to be directly taken care with Meta only. Before doing this, make sure to read and understand all these limitations and restrictions. That's it. I hope this will be very much useful for your business, and hope this will be very helpful. Thank you.